Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use CapCut to edit music videos on your phone. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now tap on new project. Here select the video or photo that you want to add. After adding the photo in my timeline, I'm going to remove the watermark from here, and now I'm going to extend it. If you tap on audio, then you guys will find out extract option. Now select the video from where you want to extract the audio. Then you guys will find out only the audio here. Now I'm going to split it. In here you guys will find out fade option, then now to remove the background noise, tap on remove noise. Here you guys will find out speed option. Now tap on sounds, and in here you guys will find out a lot of sounds. You guys can also add them in your timeline, and here I'm going to split it. Now put the audio where you want to add. To record your voice, scroll here like this and then tap on record. Press here and hold for a while and then record your voice. Now tap on the check mark. Here you guys will find out your voice cover. So this is how you guys can use CapCut to edit music videos on your phone. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.